Hello, my friends. You're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 36 over y is equal to 3x squared plus y squared, and 28 over x is equal to x squared plus 3y squared. To find the values of x and y, which is x and y are a real number. In the first step, we start by this equation and multiply both of this equation by y. So it will be 3x squared plus y squared. We write right side first times y is equal to 36 over y, 36 over y times y. And here we multiply both sides of this equation by x. So it will be, we write this first, x squared plus 3y squared times x is equal to 28 over x times x. And it will be in here y times 3x squared is 3x squared y plus y times y squared is y cubed is equal to this y, we cancel this y, so it will be 36. And here x times x squared is x cubed plus this times this is 3x y squared is equal to, and this x will cancel this, so it will be 28. And in the next step, we add these two equations together, so it will be 3x squared y plus y cube plus x cube plus 3x y squared is equal to this plus this, 36 plus 28. And it will be, we can write this x cubed this first plus this 3x squared y plus this 3x y cube and plus this y cube is equal to 8 plus 6 is 14, so 4, and 2 plus 3 is 5, and plus 1 is 6. And here, this is in the form of perfect cube, which is x plus y to the power of 3. And this is 64 is 4 times 4 times 4. So we can write 4 to the power of 3. And from here, x plus y is 4. And we can take x to the right side, so it will be y is equal to 4 minus x. So we find this equation, y is equal to 4 minus x. In here, x cubed plus 3xy squared is 28. So we write this equation, x cubed plus 3xy squared is 28. And here we have y, and y is 4 minus x. So we can substitute this in this equation. So it will be x cubed plus 3x and y is 4 minus x. 4 minus x to the power of 2 is equal to 28. And it will be x cubed plus 3x. Here, 4 minus x to the power of 2 is 4 to the power of 2 is 16 minus 2 times 4 times x is 8x and plus x squared is equal to 28. And it will be x squared, x cubed plus 3x times 16 is 48x minus 3 times 8 is 24 and x times x is x squared and plus 3x times x squared is 3x cubed. And we take this 28 to the left side, so it will be minus 28 is equal to 0. And it will be x cubed plus 3x cubed is 4x cubed plus, minus this 24x squared, 24x squared, and plus this 48x, 48x, and minus 28 is 0. And it will be here we can factor 4. So 4 can factor 4. This divided by 4 is x cubed minus 24x squared divided by 4 is 6x squared, and 48x divided by 4 is 12x minus this divided by 4 is 7 equal to 0. And we divide both sides of this equation by 4. So this equation by 4, this 4 will cancel, so it will be x cubed minus 6x squared plus 12x minus 7 is equal to, and 0 divided by 4 is also 0. The next step, we can write this minus 7 to minus 1 minus 6. So it will be x cubed minus this 1, minus 1, and minus this 6x squared plus 12x, and minus this 6 is equal to 0. And we can take this 2 part together and this 3 part together. So it will be x cubed minus 1. 1 also is 1 cube. 1 is 1 cube. There is equal. This 2 is equal. And in here, we can factor minus 6. So minus 6, this divided by this is x squared. And this divided by minus 6 is minus 2x. And this divided by this is plus 1 equal to 0. And here, this is in the form of perfect cube. So it will be x minus 1 times x squared plus x plus 1. This is the perfect cube formula. And here, this is a perfect square. So it will be minus 6. This is x minus 1 squared. So this is the formula of x minus 1 to the power of 2. And this is 0. And here x minus 1 and x minus 1 is common. So we can factor this x minus 1. And this divided by this is this. So it will be x squared plus x plus 1. And here, minus 6 times x minus 1 to the power of 2 divided by this, it will be minus 6 times x minus 1 equal to 0. It will be x minus 1 x squared plus x plus 1, and this times this minus 6x, and this times this is positive 6 equal to 0. And it will be x minus 1 times x squared. X minus 6x is minus 5x, and 1 plus 6 is 7 equal to 0. And from here, there is a two solution for x. So first, x minus 1 is 0, and x squared minus 5x plus 7 is 0. In here, x is 1. We take this one to the right side. And from here, y is 4 minus x. So we can write y is 4 minus x. And x from this is 1, and y is 4 minus 1. So y is 3. Y is 3, and x is 1. And from here, our problem says that x and y are real solution, are real number. So we check the discriminant of this equation. So d is b squared minus 4ac, and d is b squared. B is the coefficient of x, and this is minus 5 minus negative 5 squared minus 4 times a. A is coefficient of x squared, so a is 1 times 1, and c is constant, c is 7. And d is minus 5, negative 5 to the power of 2 is 25, and 4 times 1 times 7 is 28, so minus 28, and this is negative 3. So the discriminant is negative, so there is no real solution, and there is no real solution. So our final answer for x and y, x is 1 and y is 3. So our final answer for x and y is x is 1 and y is 3. So this is our final answer. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.